This video, our top video of the year, a Pomeranian puppy puts everything he's got into one sneeze.
Number one video. Number one.
Whoa, number one!
So Rue the Pomeranian has got a case of the sniffles. And he's like checking around. He's like, can I sneeze? Can I sneeze? Is it okay if I sneeze right now? And it's amazing.
Millions and millions of people have watched like this, like
Tiny puppy sneezing.
no, the video is
Yeah.
like so short too. I mean,
I
it's so much crazy goodness, internet goodness packed in a little package.
Okay, I'm about to sneeze. I'm getting real close. I'm just about there. It's coming. It's coming. What?
How do we even know that's a sneeze? Like, technically, because that's a legit turkey impression.
So did like the Pomeranian's ancestors like hide from predators by pretending to be turkeys?
Is this some sort of evolutionary trick?
What is your game, Pomeranian?
He's so excited before he sneezes. He's like, look guys, I learned something new and I can't wait to show you.
I mean, this sound is a great way to distract someone.
Yeah, I wish everything sounded like this. Hold on, I gotta take this.
Hello? Would you like a smoothie?
I would love a smoothie.
Okay, let's see that again.
Instant replay.
Allie,
Yes, Jonathan.
where's this relationship going?
Well,